Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai wills and updates thereto. And a question that sometimes comes up, usually at the end of the process of drafting and formalizing a Thai will, I'll have somebody ask, we'll be in the office, the Thai attorneys and I, along with the client, and people will ask, well, when should I update this? And the answer is, well, it depends. And I know folks that watch this channel frequently probably think I'm a broken record, but it's going to depend on the facts of your given case. Long story short, there are certain events, especially in a family context, that may deem it may be a good idea to go ahead and update a Thai will if certain things come to pass. For example, divorce, especially if the person one is divorcing was the major or a primary beneficiary or an executor of the will. The death in the family of, not in the family, but just death of someone in the will who had a primary function, again, possibly as an executor or a beneficiary of the will. There are a number of reasons for updating. Financial circumstances may have substantially changed and one wishes to reallocate how their assets should be dispersed. Again, it's going to be very fact dependent. It's going to be very, tailored to a given individual's case. I suspect it's not unlike sort of the notion, I believe it was Oliver Wendell Holmes, the Supreme Court Justice, who said, "I'll know it when I see it." I suspect a lot of folks kind of would instinctively know when it might be a good idea to update a will, but people don't really think like that. We're not all lawyers, thank God. And, so not all folks are thinking that way, but for the purposes of this video, look, if a major beneficiary, somebody who's an executor or somebody who was had a part or even a small bequest in a will, it might be a good idea to update things if something is substantially changed with respect to that individual or individuals.